Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.2 question number 5. What is question number 5? Question number 5 is find the sum A is minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Let us solve question number A. Question number A is minus 7 plus of minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Here bracket, that is it is minus 7 plus into minus is minus 9 plus 4 plus 16, right? Here you see this number is both same sign, therefore add the numbers, right? 9 plus 7 is 16. These numbers 4 and 16 are both have the same symbol, same operators, plus plus, therefore added 16 plus 4 is 20. Now from here first subtract the smaller number from the greater one, that is 4, right? Therefore you write here 4, and now you see which one is greater, 16 or 20. 20 is greater, therefore the symbol will be plus. This is the answer of question number A. Now we'll solve question number B. Now question number B is B. We'll solve question number B. It is 37 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 65 plus of minus 8, right? Now let us solve. It is 37 plus into minus is minus, that is minus 2, plus into minus is minus, minus 65, and plus into minus is minus, that is 8. Now it is 37. Here you see all the numbers have same symbol, that means you have to add all the numbers, right? 8, 2 plus 8, that is 10, 10 plus 65 is 75, minus 75, right? 8 plus 2 10, 65 plus 10 75. Now here one is plus, one is minus, therefore you have to subtract the smaller one from the greater number, 75, it is 37, subtract it. 7, 8, 15, carry 1, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, right? Therefore the number is 38. Now you see which one is greater, 37 or 75. 75 is greater, therefore the answer will be minus. This is the answer of question number B. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.